Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you guys are back. If you guys are new, welcome. If you guys are returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. So I'm actually cleaning that to weigh my Versagel and my other items, but mostly I'm just trying to measure my or weigh my Versagel. So I actually am wearing gloves, especially if you're making a product that has a lot to do with products that you'll be putting on other people's or your faces or body parts. And then these are the things that I will be using for my mixing. So I actually don't use plastic. I like using things that I have bought from previous Bath and Body stuff. So I'm actually measuring out the Versagel, and I got that from TKB. No, actually I got it from Amazon, so it's actually from TKB. I loved it, but it was just so small that I can only do a little bit of amount, but it was all good. I actually had the experience to actually mix it and see how I like it. So I like to measure everything. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. I've seen a lot of girls who actually don't measure it, but I just like to be prepared. So every time I make it, I would actually use this for my advantage. So this is how it looks like. Those of you who are new and don't know how Versagel looks like, you can actually use this for hair gel and for other different products too as well. So these are all the oils that I will be using. All these oils, I'm not going to actually mention it there, but I will definitely leave down what I use for this lip gloss. And I love the formulation. I know some people like it a little thicker, some people like a little thinner, but I'm gonna try to master it, so it's nice and a great experience to actually learn how to make it the first time. I love making stuff. It calms me down as a mom. So I am a busy mom, so doing this actually makes me a little bit happy, as long as I know that I have like a little bit of hobby going on as well as my hustle. I do enjoy it, but I'm actually mixing it so I can get a little bit consistency. So these are the glitter, not the glitter, and this is the mica. The other one was just a butterfly, and this is the flavoring oil. I will be putting these in there, and I got these from somewhere else. If you guys are interested, I will definitely leave down below. And I got 2 pipettes, one for the flavor and one for scooping it inside the syringe, which I didn't use and I regret it. So I'm putting the mica inside. I don't want it too dark pink, I just want it a little bit lighter, so you can actually see the holographic stars, or I think I might have put the butterfly or maybe the stars in it. And I'm just showing you a close-up picture or a close-up view of how the color looks like on the Versagel once you actually put it inside. Okay, so now I'm about to put all the glitter, maybe a couple, maybe 1.5 to 2 scoops of the holographic stars. I believe they're pink, the pink one or maybe the red one. I should have grabbed more, but it was so small that I only grabbed like at least 1.5 scoop of it. But you can actually see it, but it would be a little bit lighter on the inside the squeeze tubes. So I'm actually planning on putting these in squeeze tubes. So I see a little bit of it, but I should have grabbed more. But that's not so bad, especially for a little small batch. And then I'm putting on the flavoring. I think I only did like a drop or two of the fruit punch. So if anybody's interested in purchasing it for me soon, this is the fruit punch flavor. I will definitely have names for these, so be on the lookout for all these names. I do have all the names picked out for all my lip glosses. I do have a lot in mind, so stay tuned. If you guys haven't seen this video, I will leave down all this description down below of the names and my website once it launch. So stay tuned for that too as well. So I'm excited to actually make this a part of my life, a part of my business, and this is actually my baby out of my other kids. I will actually treat this very, very neat and nice. As you can see, you can actually see all the little stars. It looks so pretty. So I am planning on putting the lip gloss inside the syringe. Like I said again, I should have used the pipette. I thought I can actually do it with this because this is only probably about 10 milligrams that I'm using. I actually don't remember, but I will leave down below in the description to see what syringe I use. I should have gotten the bigger one, but this little one will work for, especially I think for beginners. So it was so small that I can actually fit into my squeeze tubes. So I actually decided not to use the pipette, but I believe the next time I will be trying the pipette because it was a little bit difficult to put it in, and I saw a little bit of bubbles. So my first experience is not that great, but I did had fun making this. After putting all that inside, I'm gonna put the stopper on and then the cap on. It was very, very slippery. Versagel is really, really messy, so be careful on that if you're a first time beginner. It actually is really, really messy if you guys are planning on making these. And don't worry, I actually sanitize all my caps and tubes and stoppers. I usually or always clean it before I make a batch of this and put it inside. I actually don't believe in having dirty squeeze tubes or wand tubes. Pretty soon I will be actually introduce my wand tubes too as well, so stay tuned for that. And then like I said again, it was very, very messy, especially me working with gloves, and I have a hard time working with gloves. this is the final look for everything. I loved it, especially it smells amazing. The scent isn't too strong, it's just about right. You can actually see, I believe it's the butterfly. I thought it was the stars, but it is so pretty. It's so light. I have a name for this, so once I start launching, I will definitely let you guys know the name. And then next, after that, I just use warm water and soap or dishwashing soap. I like using Dawn, so I'm just washing it, and I'm trying to clear up all the messy and greasiness of the tubes, the squeeze tubes. And then after washing it, I waited probably about a week and a half, and I ordered these on Etsy. If you guys like the person who actually made this, I will leave down a link down below if you guys are interested. This is where I actually got my labels. My printer is broken at the moment, so that's why I chose to get this from Etsy. They look so pretty. I didn't know that they were going to be this pretty, and I'm like, oh my gosh, but I wanted more like vinyl. But I think I'll do this for now. If I like it, I might just stick with this for a while until I figure something out for myself, so I can actually make it for myself. But as you can see, it's so shiny and pretty. So that's what I will be putting in my lip gloss or the squeeze tubes. Alright, so that's how it looks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope this was very helpful for you guys who actually are starting. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video.